Hello and welcome. I'm going to be taking you through a 10-minute morning yoga flow. You can do it any time during the day, but it's quite nice to do first thing in the morning when you get up, just to get the body and the breath connected and moving. So when you're ready, we're going to start in a standing position. Feet are about hip width apart to begin with. Hands down by our side, making sure the 3 points of the feet are in contact with the earth. Am I pressing into the big toes, softening the hands? And we'll begin to take the arms up overhead. So we're going to just take a gentle side stretch. Maybe we grab onto that left wrist. We'll gently begin to release that left hand down by our side, right hand going over. Both arms going back up overhead. We'll take this on the other side. Left hand grabbing the right fingertips to the wrist and beginning to tilt. Make sure you don't cave in, pulling back on that right arm. And slowly taking the arms up, releasing that right hand, tilting over towards the left. And then back through center. Hands on the hips, we'll begin to take our feet as wide as our mat, or maybe slightly wider. Maybe bring the toes in just a little bit for a moment. Hands down by our side, we'll take the arms up and we're going to cactus. You're going to soften the knees, cactusing the arms. Arms will begin to go up and then back down by our side. We're going to take that one more time. Inhaling up. Softening the knees, cactusing the arms. And going up. Hands down by our side. We're going to come into goddess / horse. So hands to the hips, beginning to take the heels in towards each other and then beginning to bend the knees. Make sure you don't lean forward. We're just going to begin to sway back and forth. Again, rolling the shoulder blades back, tailbone coming down towards the earth. And beginning to take the arms up. Cactus. We'll begin to come back into a star. So you're going to begin to extend all of the limbs. And we'll begin to take this left foot as I face you and mirroring you. Left foot out towards the side, beginning to bend the knee. And we'll begin to come into an extended side angle. So that left elbow or forearm coming onto the thigh, opening up the chest. Right hand can stay on the hip, maybe the sky, maybe going forward. When we're ready, we'll begin to take the arms back up, straightening that front leg. We're going to begin to explore a triangle. So hand to the hip. Begin to take the back of this left hand on the inside of the leg and begin to slide down. Taking the hand on the inside, opening up the chest. Hand can go up, gaze may follow. Beginning to heavily bend that left knee. We'll come back up through a warrior 2. And then hands coming to the hips as we straighten that left leg, left foot coming in. We're going to come back into that goddess horse. So beginning to pivot the heels in, sitting down. Again, you might rock side to side. Now you can keep the legs swaying or you can begin to find some stillness. So we're going to begin to explore an eagle. We're going to begin to take that left arm underneath, maybe giving yourself a hug, maybe beginning to cup the elbows, maybe beginning to bind. And you may go a little bit deeper. And we'll begin to release, cactusing the arms. Arms will begin to go up and then out to the side. Right arm underneath this time. Beginning to release and cactus. We'll take the arms up, pivoting the heels. Begin to take that right foot out to the side, bending the knee, extended side angle. Your choice with that left hand. Beginning to take the hands back to the hip, beginning to straighten that right leg. We're going to begin to explore our triangle. And you might narrow the stance. If you feel that left foot sliding, you might narrow just a tad. And we'll begin to come into your triangle. Back of the hand onto the inside of the thigh, maybe the calf, maybe towards the earth. We'll begin to heavily bend that right knee, coming through your warrior two. Beginning to straighten the leg, hands to the hips as we bring this right hand back. We're going to come back into our goddess / horse, sitting to pivot the heels, sitting down. Again, you might sway, you might pulse. This time, inviting you to take the hands behind you. I'll just change my profile for a moment. So it might simply be the fingertips, maybe stacking the palms or interlacing the hands. Your choice. And what we're going to begin to do is come into a wide-legged forward fold. So beginning to straighten the legs, pivoting the heels, hinging at the waist. Beginning to release the fingertips to the lower back. And then we'll let the hands glide down the legs or just begin to come underneath the shoulders. We'll begin to toe heel the feet slowly back together, coming into a gentle forward fold. Inhaling halfway. Exhaling, folding down. We'll begin to come back standing, inhaling the arms up. And then down into the heart space. Bowing the head to the hands in gratitude for investing in your well-being and your practice. And thank you for taking this 10-minute morning yoga flow with me. If you'd like to check out any of my other videos, check out the link in the description, and I'll see you again soon.